Friends, welcome to all of you once again on my channel. I am your best buddy Narendra Mudesar and I come today with a new novel that's name is Purple Hibiscus. Friends, today we will be discuss a little things about this novel Purple Hibiscus, which is written by Chimamanda Ngozi Adichie. And why I select this novel, there is a reason. The reason is I saw 2 or 3 questions in the previous net paper about this, as well as Chimamanda Ngozi Adichie is one of the modern Nigerian writer who is now rising as one of the prominent post-colonial writer. So I read a little about her and find out that her writing is near about similar to the father of Nigerian literature's work, that is Chinua Achebe's work. Now you will be surprised by knowing this, that so many critics consider that Chimamanda Ngozi Adichie is a modern human daughter of Chinua Achebe. And you know very well what is the writing of Chinua Achebe and how he was famous. He was the first person who gave the documentary work on the perfect Igbo culture. Especially his work is considered as a documentary work on a Nigerian literature or the Nigerian people. Same things happen here, friends. As we saw the lots of things similar to Chinua Achebe, here also Chimamanda Ngozi Adichie wrote a documentary work, like a documentary things on the Igbo culture, or we can say on the Nigerian people. The problems of Nigerian peoples are mentioned properly in her works. Now let's come to this particular work. What is special in this novel? Friends, this novel is written in 2003, remember, and the most important is that the structure of the novel is, or we can say the setting of the novel in the post-colonial era. Okay, now things about this work. Friends, in this work we saw the 2 or 3 more important character. Here is Achike family and then Auntie Ifemona. The central character of this novel is Kambili, who is a narrator, and she is just only 15 years old girl who is possessed from the lots of problems, especially from the domestic problems. Okay friends, and whatever we comes to know about this story, it's because of Kambili. And there is also an opinion about Kambili that her narration is a perfect. If the other person will be narrated the story, we could not understand the feelings of the narrator properly and the story also. It become difficult to get the sense regarding her and her family. Anyway, that is the different thing. But now we will be focused on the another central character and the story. What happened, friends? The another central character is Papa Eugene, yes, who is the head of Achike family, and he is converted into the Christianity, means he follows the Catholic culture now. Before this he was an Igbo person, an indigenous, African indigenous. But what happened, friends? There was a trend that when the colony or when the country become independent, of course the consequences of colonialism will be affect the life of indigenous. So the same thing happened here also. Due to the possess of the white culture, the British culture, Papa Eugene convert himself into the Christianity, and whatever he is today, it because of the Christianity as he think. ऐसा वो मान के चलता है. Then what happened? He is the owner of Standard newspaper. Okay, and he always trying to speak there. Actually the novel set in post-colonial literature, post-colonial era, so that's why of course there will be the corruption is there. After that corruption, military coup is happened there, and when the military coup happened, the life of Achike family is converted. The another most important character is Mama Beatrice. Actually the Beatrice is a name, but so many lovely, by loving so many characters call her Mama. So that is the Mama Beatrice. Mama Beatrice is one of the humble wife, and she always follows the instructions of her husband. And because of the Catholic culture, she lost her children, means especially aborted her children. Aborted in the sense miscarriages happen with her many times, and the reason, that is Papa Eugene. Why Papa Eugene is the reason there? You will be surprised by knowing that Papa Eugene wants a perfection. He wants that his family should have to walk in a Catholic religion. He should want that they all should have to follow the properly Catholic tenets. And whatever he acquired the prestige in the society should not be destroyed by the behavior of his children and his wife. So that's why he becomes too much staunch to our Catholic culture or Catholic religion. Then what happened? The another character, Kambili and Jaja, these are the siblings, but the most important character, that is Auntie Ephemona, who is the sister of Eugene. And there is a irony, friends. What kind of irony? Auntie Ephemona and Eugene both are the real siblings. Still there is a lots of difference between them. What kind of difference? She also converted to the Christianity, but she is stick to her root culture. She follows some festivals of Igbo culture also, and she is open-minded, broad-minded, and liberal and free, especially free from the influence of Catholic culture. Then what happened? She has the 3 children, and these 3 children also their upbringing also in the Catholic culture, but still they were adhere to their religion, their own root culture. Now the story happens in this way, that Papa wants everything according to him. He praises those who speak in English, as well as Papa got the name and fame in the society because of this Christianity. So he behaved like a catechist in the church. He observed the peoples who, especially the indigenous, and he never bear that the indigenous people should have to speak in their own language, in their native language in the church. He considered that those people who are not talking in English, they will create a problem to their church. So he was so stunted to the Catholicism. Then the another things is that due to this, one day what happened, due to the corruption in the country, military coup were declared, and this due to the coup, what happened, the life of this turned. And since that time he many times beat Mama Beatrice, and she lost her child in her tummy, means the miscarriages appear there. After that she take the decision to kill father. To kill father means to kill culture. To kill father means to avoid our Catholic culture. Then what happened? With the help of Sissy, who is her maid, she started to pour a poison in his tea, and gradually he died in his factory. And because of the corrupt government, they blame each one. They count near about 200 people. In that, as I told you that Jaja is one of the good child, he also decided to do something for his family. Then what happened? Jaja take the blame, and he sent to the imprisonment, and after 3 years he become free. In between, what happened? When they got a chance to reach to Nasuka, on the request of our auntie Ephemona, Papa Eugene allowed them to go and visit their auntie. There, these children, Kambili and Jaja, become familiar with the life, the real life of the society. They saw what kind of poverty in the society. They saw what kind of discrimination is there. One side, Papa Eugene's, means the Achike family, is too much rich, and one side Auntie Ephemona's family, meager salary, the all house courses. Then what happened, friends? Here, by the observing their siblings, Kambili By the observing her siblings, Kambili learned that he should have to be outspoken. He should have to be broad-minded. And now she comes to know the real facts of life. Here the another two characters I deliberately could not mention it, but now I would like to tell you the another character, Father Benedict. Father Benedict was a person who came from the Christian missionary into that church, St. Paul's Church. There he served since 7 years. Still people call him New Father. So you can see the difference. Then Father Benedict, after Father Benedict, there is a Father Amadi who plays the most important role to convert Kambili to her own identity, to convert Kambili to know what is the reality of the life and what she can do. And she also possessed in the love of Father Amadi, but Father Amadi was a pure puppet of the Christian missionary's hand. Why he is a puppet? Because they told him that he should have to go to the another country to spread their religion, and he just obeyed and go. He left Kambili there. Left means he also possessed the love of that, but being a father he could not mention his feelings. So it was the story, friends, and I hope I presented this story properly and you